Welcome to the SquareLine Studio tutorial. In this video, I will demonstrate how to work with states, showing you how to create different states, modify them, configure unique combinations, and style them easily in SquareLine Studio. Let's get started. To demonstrate how states work, I'll be using a button widget in a newly created project with LVGL light theme settings. You can find states in the Inspector tab under the States drop-down menu. When nothing is checked, the button remains in its default state. For example, if you check the pressed option, you'll see the pressed state. If you select the checked option, you'll see the checked state, and if you select disabled, you'll see the disabled state. Besides these basic states, you have the option to create 4 custom states, ranging from user 1 to user 4, where you can develop your own unique states. You can also combine state conditions. For instance, you can use checked pressed, which you can configure freely. When you check these options, you'll notice the widget immediately switches to the specified state. This effectively creates a separate state, a checked pressed state. Let me show you how to style a pressed state. First, enable only the pressed state to see the modifications. Then in the Style Settings group, select Pressed under the State dropdown. Under the Background dropdown, change the color to green. Disable the pressed state in the Button group. And when you enable Play mode, you'll see our button working with the modified pressed background color. Now I'll demonstrate how to use state combinations effectively and functionally. First, in the Flags dropdown, enable the checkable option for the button. To verify that the button is indeed checkable, click Play mode. When you press the button widget, you'll see it turn green, pressed state, and when you release it, it becomes red, checked state. If you press it again, it will turn green, pressed, and upon release, it returns to the default state, turning the button blue. Let me show you how to combine states, such as combining checked with pressed, allowing you to style the checked pressed state separately. Enable both checkboxes under the States dropdown that we mentioned earlier, then select Checked Pressed in the Style Settings dropdown. Set the background color to black. Before clicking Play mode, disable the 2 checkboxes under States and test it out. Now when you press the button, it enters the pressed state. After release it becomes checked. If you press it again, it enters the pressed checked state turning black, and after releasing it, the button returns to its default state. For more information about states and styling options, please refer to the SquareLine Studio documentation. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to be notified about our latest videos on time.